Believe it or not, I'm in the maiden journey of the C6 that drove through a concrete block wall. It's got a whole bunch of little stuff I still have to do. I have to, I don't know, there's some little screws and fasteners on the front bumper. The back part of the console's not in yet, but here it is. Backing it out of the driveway. We're gonna see what happens. It runs, it drives. I brought it to a couple of different car parts places, but as you can see on the front, I have some little pins that have to be put on to hold the bumper down properly. It's got little scrapes and stuff up here, but doors are new. Well, there's a whole lot of the car that's new, but it seems to be driving great so far.
Brakes a little stiff. All right, which way are we going?
Okay, you're going to go left. Thankfully, we're not going over the posted 30-mile-per-hour speed limit. These things feel so much faster than they are going. But anyway, young Slick's first opportunity to drive a Corvette. It has the little button that if you want to have it on touring, suspension, or sport, so we have it on sport, because he's a sporty guy.
I would like to think I am. This thing is awesome. I mean, there's so much control, like you feel like you're driving fast in other cars, you don't feel like you have near as much control as you do in like this thing right now.
Well, that's because you haven't lost control yet.
That's true.
I'll come to a total stop. And now just enough brake to kind of hold it. Now just quickly, just stab. Now keep the gas down, let the brake on. Keep it aiming straight. All right, there's a good little burnout back there.
You'll do it again.
Oh, imagine that. After his first burnout, he wants to do it again. Yes, you can do it again.
Yay!
Got these new Goodyears on here. Those don't mean nothing. All right, now come to a total stop. And now it's, yeah, keep the gas all the way down. Little cloud of smoke behind us. He has now done a burnout. Smell all that smoke?
I'll never forget that smell. That's awesome, man.
It's better when you smell race gas mixed with it.
Really?
Or nitromethane's even better.
Race gas in it?
Well, this thing doesn't really require race gas. It's all just stock internal. But now, the reason we're out here doing these burnouts is because we were just trying to get the Hummer fixed, and Slick almost died 3 times. So we're like, well, technically you should have died on the 3rd time.
Yes.
So we're just gonna go ahead and grab a prime rib and eat some lunch instead of messing around with that. But
sort of a last meal type deal.
yeah, last, because you will be dead soon if you keep. We've decided to put off probably messing with the H2 for about another week, but we're going to go grab a prime rib now. It's a big day for Slick. He almost died when he dropped a 4L80E transmission on himself.
This is my consolation prize.
Yeah, look at that. We got the big one. Double LG. Nice. And a burr. Got him a burr. It does good black marks.
It does.
I don't believe in omens. We're gonna do a burnout at the same place where I exploded the torque tube, transmission, and clutch assembly in my Z06. Oh, there's a Hummer H1. That's a big boy Hummer.
You can smell the diesel coming from it.
Not unlike napalm in the morning.
It sticks to kids.
Aw.
Can it be done better?
I believe it can and should be done better.
All right.
Verily I say unto you now, I shall now attempt a second burnout.
It's a shame when people do burnout marks like that.
On such nice property, too.
Well, the good news is it was a posi, which means it wasn't just one embarrassing, skinny little burnout. You know?
Yeah.
That was a good one. Oh, yes. Let's cruise gently back to the homestead.